Any comment on the communique?
Yes, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, I really appreciate the hard work that the team has done for organizing and establishing this communique, but as we have discussed it in our closed doors here in this communique, as I requested, political matters of Somalia is very internal, and Somalia does not want to be included in this communique. This summit was meant for security and the AU mission in Africa and the problem of financing that exists, and that has been, and the issue of Al-Shabaab and all this, that has been covered very well. But for political matters, that's internal, and with your guidance and your support and your advice, we will do that homework by our own and not in this communique. That is not local politics of Somalia, must not be internationalized, regionalized, or this communique is going to the African Union, to the United Nations, to everywhere. Somalia is not in a position to accept that.
So you remove that part of the conference